Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all will be fine. Today we are going to start the reading of class 1 social studies. Our land Pakistan. Pakistan is very dear to me. I love my country. What about you? Would you like to know something about it? Muhammad Ali Jinnah. It was largely due to him and the efforts of many other great people that we got Pakistan. To show our love for him, we call him the Quaid-e-Azam, which means a great leader. The map. This is the map of Pakistan. If you look closely, you can see the names of the important cities, provinces, and Azad Kashmir. The capital. Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan because all the important people in the government work here. I feel very proud to be a Pakistani when I hear our national anthem. My heart fills with love for Pakistan and I want to share this with everybody. You must learn the words so that you can sing it too. National Anthem. A national anthem is the song of a country. The words tell about the love of the people for their country. We must always stand up when we hear it to show our respect. National Flag. Our national flag is green and white. The green part shows the majority of the people in Pakistan who are Muslims. The smaller white bar shows the minorities. The crescent and star are for light and knowledge. National Symbols. Do you know about our national symbols? Let me tell you about them. Jasmine, Dr. Allama Iqbal, a hockey match, an aeroplane of PIA, a shalwar kameez. Jasmine is our national flower, Allama Iqbal is our national poet, hockey is our national game, shalwar kameez is our national dress, Urdu is our national language, PIA is our national airline. Exercise. Part A. Answer the questions. Questions answers. What does the Quaid-e-Azam mean? It means great leader. Read the names of the provinces you see on the map. Punjab, Sindh, Balochistan and WFP. Name the capital of Pakistan. Islamabad. How many times does the word Pakistan come in the national anthem? It comes only once. What does the green part on the flag show? It shows the majority of the people in Pakistan. They are Muslims. Unit number 5, Our Land, Pakistan. Words meaning. Map, Naksha. Efforts, Koshish. Great leader, Bada Rehnuma. Capital, Bada. National, Qawmi. Dictation words. Respect, flag. Light, part, about.